Hi everybody, welcome back to the little kitchen, and tonight I'm going to be making a Bon Appetit recipe off of YouTube. Molly makes scallops with corn chorizo, and I've made this before and it is really delicious and it's fun to make something new and exciting. And so I've already got my corn off of the cob here. It's the perfect time to make this, with sweet corn being so wonderful in peak season. So I found that I love this little tool from Pampered Chef. I don't sell Pampered Chef, but they do have some great tools, and you just take run that up and down the cob and it gets the corn off the cob so easily. So I've just got about 5 ears of corn here, and I'm going to turn the heater on. I've got a tablespoon or 2 of butter. And the recipe calls for some green onions. So I'm going to get that in the pan. I've got those all chopped up. This is probably about 12 small little stalks of green onions. And the recipe calls for serrano peppers. And my husband's growing those this year, so I'm using 2 of those. They are a little spicy, but they're really good. And we're just going to get that sauteed, and then we'll add our garlic. My corn is sauteing with the green onions and the serrano pepper. I am gonna now Molly used Spanish chorizo, and I could not find that in my grocery store, so I am just gonna use some Zatarain's andouille pork smoked sausage, and I'm going to get that browned off. In this skillet back here, I've got a little olive oil in there. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and get my cloves of garlic in. My sausage is getting browned off here. And add my smoked sausage to my corn. And I've let this corn cool down a little bit, because you don't want to, she says you don't want to put the buttermilk in it while it's really hot, or it'll break on you and get all lumpy. So it calls for a cup of buttermilk. Okay, so I've got everything in my corn ragu. It looks really good, and I've just got it really on low just to kind of keep it warm. And I'm going to start my scallops now, and I've got those right here, and you want to make sure you get those dried off really well with the paper towel. And in my pan here, I've got some butter and some olive oil, and I'm just gonna, she uses salt, but I'm going to use a little nature seasoning on my scallops. She says to make sure to do that right before you cook them, or it'll bring all the moisture out again. So those are my sea scallops there, and I'm just going to get those in the pan. They're a little small, but they smell delicious. I think they're going to be good. flip those over. They're looking so nice, brown. That get a little browner. They don't want to pull away from the pan like this one, then it's not quite ready to flip. I'm just going to give a little taste test here. You can kind of see the sausage, just to get a taste of everything in one bite. Okay, a little taste of the corn. Oh. I always forget my garnish, but you do want to garnish with some cilantro. So, let's get a taste of everything there. It's like the perfect bite. That is a special treat. Well, I hope you enjoy the video and try to make Molly's Bon Appetit scallops and corn chorizo. And thanks for stopping by. Have a great day. Bye-bye now.